Hey guys, what's up? Today is the 10th of October. Yeah, it's the 10th. The 10th of October. And I ordered a gaming keyboard on Thursday. And it was supposed to come on Sunday. But, because we have Prime, it's coming. It's 5 stops away. So, let me zoom in. I don't want to put my address there, but I don't think you can notice. So, there's, see, 5 stops away. Why isn't it focusing? Come on, focus. Okay, it says 5 stops away. Kind of saw it right there. So my camera's running out of battery, and when it gets here, I'll start recording again, and I'm going to unbox it. And also my cousin is coming. So let's get right into the video.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low.
Okay, we're back. I think. Wait. Okay, we're back, and it finally arrived. So I changed my battery. Here it is. Oh, it's kind of hefty. It says right there, wired mechanical keyboard. So I'm going to get on my desk and open it for you guys, okay? Okay guys, so I'm at my desk right now. Okay, so this is the keyboard. It's the Pictek wired mechanical keyboard. So here's the back. So it's blank right here. It's blank on all the sides. So this is the only design that it has on the front. So now let's open it up. Okay. Okay, I don't want to click it just yet. Ah, dang it. I said I don't want to click it yet. It's so slippery, that's why. Okay, let me get the cable out. So here's the keyboard itself. Here's what it comes with: the manual and the keycap remover. So there's nothing else in there. So now let's look at the keyboard itself. I'm going to remove one of the keys. Okay, so as you can see, I think it's Cherry MX blue switches, so that means it's more compatible. And you can see it's a blue switch right there. So it has the more clicky sound. Let me attach this back in. Okay, let me attach this back in. Okay, so this keyboard is really nice. So here's it. So when I put caps on, it'll light up. So I'm going to get my laptop and connect it to this, and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm on my laptop right now, and you can see there's some lighting. So I have to press FN. Let me move the cable because it's really long, and I like that. So I have to click FN. Oh, I haven't done a sound test yet. I'm going to do a sound test first. So I'm going to go to Google Docs real quick, if I can find it. Okay, so I'm on Google Docs. Okay. Okay, that's the sound test. So here are the different modes. So I have to hold FN and this. So you can see that it dims it. Let me close my curtains so you can see better. Let me put the thing down on my laptop so you can see it. So wait, which one's oh? Oh no! Wait, what the heck happened?
Oh, you turned it off.
Oh. Oh, there it is. Okay, here. So I kind of like this mode, but there is a mode where I could. Oh, I like this one. Look. So every time I click a key, it goes like this. It turns on. So look. Every time I click a key, so my favorite one is this one. Okay, so now let me open my curtains and my light. So you can see it's a pretty bright keyboard, and I like it. So now here's the real part. So I am going to show you guys. I think I showed you already, but I'm going to show you one of these keys. So, so there's a keycap remover. And if you could hear and you know about keyboards like me, you can tell that this is a blue switch. So I already showed you guys, but here it is. I think that's Cherry MX blue switches, but they're not made by Cherry. It is a Chinese copy. So you can see that when I press it down, it's not actually the key that makes the noise like red switches. Cause you guys, I bet there's this thing called Red Dragon, and they have blue switches. I mean red switches. So what the red switch does is that the key is the one that makes the noise when it gets down here. But with blue switches, you could hear that the switch actually makes the noise, and with the key cap on top of it, like, let me put it in. It actually makes the noise bigger. So let's check the spacebar. Yeah, I can't take the spacebar off. I need more keycap removers because there's. But you can see that the keyboard is pretty nice. Nice. So I kind of like this mode, but I'm going to change. So I kind of like this one too, but because I have to wake up early to go into my pre-algebra class, it's pretty dark. So
When you wake up,
I wake up at 6